Hey guys, Christine here again. So what I have today is I need to make some wrapping paper for Valentine's Day. I have a whole roll of this thin craft paper that I got on Amazon, and I'll be sure to put a link below so you know what it was. And what I did was I have an idea of the items that I got that I need to wrap. So I'm going to make two different pieces, but in this video I'm just going to show you one. This piece here is 24 inches by 30 inches, just so it's manageable. And what I'm going to do is I made some heart stamps that I'm going to be using, and I will put a link below to how I made these for you so you know. It was my previous video. So all I'm going to do is I've got my jelly plate off to the side, and I'll try to keep it in shot, but I may have to move it while I'm working because this is a big piece, and I'll kind of give you an idea of what I'm doing. But I had my heart stamps, and the reason I made foam stamps is I didn't have any hearts and I didn't want to go buy any hearts just for this. And I'm going to be using some Dina Wakley paints. I'm going to use a pretty peacock color. I'm going to use her eggplant, and I'm going to use some gold. So making sure my brayer is all ready. I'm just going to go ahead and have some fun, put on some music, and you guys can watch how I am making my own Valentine's Day wrapping paper. guys, well, I could keep going and going, and I'm sure this went quicker for you than it did for me because I sped it up, but I really love how this turned out. The metallic is awesome, and what I loved is with each layer that I added to my jelly plate, it would pick up some of the other colors. So this was the original blue, this was the blue with the purple, and it's just kind of like a fun, you can imagine when it's folded and it's going to be wrapped, it's just going to look awesome. Now, something else you can do is you can always take your gold and add more details onto the hearts without the gold. You can go in and write little words like love or Valentine's Day and things like that. For me, I'm happy with this, so I'm going to stop. I need to make a second sheet of this, and then that will be it for me with making my Valentine's Day wrapping paper. And now this kind of gives me an idea for Christmas time, but I think if I'm going to make Christmas wrapping paper, I may have to start in like March. So I hope you guys liked this video. If it inspired you, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and you'll stay up to date on all my latest releases. And thanks for crafting with me, guys.